First, make sure that all white LEDs are blinking slowly. You can start by scanning the QR code. You will be redirected to RCBC Plaza ParkNcharge Portal. Please enter your name to appear in the official receipt for paid transaction and then enter your mobile number for your OTP. Please click the desired hour to charge and click Next button. Since this service is free for now, you don't have to pay for this charge. An OTP SMS will be sent to your mobile. Please enter the correct OTP that you received. After entering the correct OTP, please click Proceed. You will see a successful transaction screen. Click the Close button below and the EV charging status page will be displayed. Waiting to start status means that this charger is now waiting for you to plug the gun to your EV. This charger uses Type 2 plug. You can ask for an approved adapter if your EV is using a GBT plug. Insert the gun firmly to your EV charge port. After plugging in, the EV status page will change from waiting to start, then to in use. You will also see that the EV charger LED will change from pulsing blue to scrolling upward, green LED. Congratulations! Your EV is charging now. You will receive an SMS notification when your charging is complete. Please proceed back to the charger immediately and unplug the EV and remove your car immediately as a courtesy to other users. This is how to stow the cable and the gun back to the charger hook. Please follow this for the convenience of next user. Thank you for watching.